Hi, Devin.
Because I know he has.
Does it hurt when you touch it?
Yes.
I know Mark's isn't.
Does it?
Yes.
Ow!
That might be.
Stop!
No one's gonna steal your minivan.
Stop! Ow! Stop!
Okay.
Ow!
We're gonna
That
spot
burned
chocolate
me!
all over his cheeks.
Stop it!
Okay, so
It doesn't burn
love
you.
it?
I was just kidding.
Okay.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Is this rubber?
Stop! I
No,
wanna
it's
see it.
hard. They told me that's more protective.
Oh, really?
It's only a cut.
Oh, look at the chaos when you're a fashion.
I was just gonna say, and I'll pick up two of them with the matching. Like rubber or that kind?
Does people
They actually bling. I think they have to do the bling in rubber.
Are you trying to take a
Okay, I'll
picture?
look at it.
Okay, bye, you guys. Come on, you guys. Tell
Is
Nana
this
I
hard?
said hi.
This is hard too. But if it drops, no thanks.
Please take a piece.
What? Don't
It
do it again.
He wants to video my face.
Oh, okay.
No, don't. Don't do
Don't?
it. Just do it. Just do it.